Clash broke out at the JNU campus last night after the burning of effigies of jailed individuals. Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam, both accused in the Delhi riots case, while left groups have called the burning of the effigies as an attempt to malign the constitution. ABVP has said that it burned effigies of Naxal forces. The effigies had photographs of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam. Earlier, a poster with their names called for the burning of the effigies, and tensions escalated as both the groups indulged in sloganeering as well as protesting on campus regarding the incident.
माता की जो समिति है वो हर साल कावेरी पर वहाँ पर पंडाल लगाती है। हर 9-10 दिन लगातार वहाँ पर पूजा होती है और वहाँ से हर साल वहाँ से पूरे जेएनयू में शोभा यात्रा निकलती है। तो वो कावेरी से बराक की तरफ जा रही थी। बराक हॉस्टल की तरफ जब जा रही थी तो पहले इन लोगों ने एक पोस्टर निकाला। पोस्टर क्या था कि बराक हॉस्टल पर हम प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे उसका, और फिर बाद में उनको लगा कि हम लेट हो गए, लोग एकत्रित नहीं हुए, तो उन लोगों ने तुरंत वो प्लान चेंज किया और प्लान चेंज करके टी पॉइंट पर आ गए और उसको क्या करना चाहते थे, खंडित करना चाहते थे। उस पर फिर बाद में उन्होंने पत्थर फेंकना शुरू किया और पत्थर फेंका तो पत्थर फेंकने के सिलसिले में हमारी जो बहन थी उस पर भी वो पत्थर लगा।
एक पोस्टर सर्कुलेट शुरू होना हुआ ग्रुप्स में, जहाँ पे हमने देखा कि उमर खालिद, शर्जील इमाम, पैट्रियार्की और अनेक ऐसे चीज़ों का पुतला दहन कर रहे हैं। पहली बात, रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स का इस्तेमाल परिषद के लोग अपने पॉलिटिकल एजेंडे के बतौर करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। उसको रजिस्ट करते हुए हमने एबीवीपी का पुतला दहन का कॉल दिया कि उमर खालिद, शर्जील इमाम ह्यूमन राइट्स डिफेंडर थे। उन्होंने इस देश की नागरिकता को बचाने का काम किया, संविधान के समर्थन में खड़े हुए। लेकिन हमने देखा कि वो प्रोसेसन निकाल रहे थे और साबरमती टी पॉइंट पे आधे घंटे खड़े होकर के उन्होंने डीजे बजाया और डीजे बजाते हुए उन्होंने ये नारे लगाए कि योगी राज का बुलडोजर जस्टिस जिंदाबाद, और तमाम इस प्रकार के रिलीजियस फैनेटिक्स वाले गाने वहाँ पे चलाए।
Ishika, my colleague, joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Ishika, we are seeing reactions coming about saying that this wasn't just a religious event, but it has been an attack that has been a direct attack on the university's festive tradition and the faith of the students.
Well, that's right, Divya. You know, that's the statement that has come in from the ABVP after yesterday's clash. They are saying that it is a clear, in fact, attack on the rights of the students to celebrate their festival and faith in the university. Now, let me, in fact, put it into the context that yesterday, late evening, we saw that a clash broke out allegedly between the right student group and the left student group. That is the ABVP versus the left student groups. And what the ABVP here alleges is that when they were going for the Durga Mata idol immersion, at that time the left students were present there and they did the stone pelting. They threw shoes also at the ABVP students, because of which many of them got injured. Now, what explanation rather has come in, or rather allegation that has come in from the left parties here, is that in the name of religion, ABVP was allegedly doing their own propaganda. They say that allegedly for the Ravan Dahan, ABVP was burning the effigy of Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid. And this is what did not sit right with the left student groups. And that is why they were there to protest. Now, we heard the voices also from the campus itself. The JNU also, in fact, issuing a statement. But what's interesting here is that the VC has in fact spoken to us on NDTV, and she has mentioned that no complaint either from the left student group or from the right student group has reached her office, and no student has even got to the health center. So currently, the JNU administration is unaware about this clash. So remains to be seen how after this the entire incident will pan out. Over to you.